Have you ever turned the key in your car's ignition only to be met with a reluctant groan or worse, complete silence? It's a scenario that can leave you scratching your head, and it usually points to an issue with your starter motor. This small yet mighty component is an electric motor that gets your engine running. When you turn the key or press the start button, the starter motor springs into action. It engages the engine's flywheel, creating the rotation necessary for the engine to start running on its own. It's like a bridge, translating your intention to drive into the mechanical energy needed to hit the road. But when issues arise with the starter motor, they can bring your plans to a grinding halt. So it's crucial to recognize the signs of a failing starter motor. Knowing the symptoms of a failing starter motor is key to preventing unexpected vehicular headaches. So how do you know if your starter motor is on the brink of failure? Well, let's break down the 6 main symptoms of a failing starter motor. First and foremost, if you turn the key or press the start button and nothing happens, no sounds, no engine turnover, it's a clear indication that the starter motor may be at fault. Of course, it's essential to rule out a dead battery or a faulty ignition switch, but a non-responsive start is a strong contender in such scenarios. Next, a loud clicking sound when attempting to start your vehicle is often a symptom of a failing starter motor. This sound indicates that the starter motor is receiving power, but is unable to engage the flywheel to start the engine. It could be due to worn-out components or an insufficient power supply to the starter motor itself. On the other hand, if the engine turns over more slowly than usual, it could be a sign that your starter motor is on the verge of failure. This sluggish response can be due to a variety of issues within the starter motor, such as a weakening battery or deteriorating starter motor components. Now, if you're hearing grinding noises during ignition, don't ignore this red flag. This sound can indicate that the gears connecting the starter motor to the flywheel are worn out or not engaging properly. Not only does this prevent the engine from starting, but it can also cause significant damage to the engine's flywheel if left unaddressed. Another symptom to keep an eye out for is intermittent issues starting the car. If your car starts fine one moment and refuses to start the next, it could be a symptom of an inconsistent starter motor. This sporadic behavior can be frustrating and is often a sign that the starter motor is failing and needs attention. Finally, if you see smoke or smell something burning when trying to start your vehicle, it's a serious sign of a potential starter motor problem. Recognizing these symptoms can help you intervene and repair the issue in a timely manner. Now, you might be thinking, I'm no mechanic. How am I supposed to diagnose these issues? Well, that's where an OBD scanner comes in. This handy tool can save you a lot of guesswork and potential headaches. An OBD scanner, or onboard diagnostic scanner, is a device that can read information from your vehicle's computer systems. It can identify issues like a failing starter motor and many others, allowing you to address them before they become bigger problems. The best part? You don't need to be a grease monkey to use one. Modern OBD scanners can connect directly to your smartphone, providing you with easy-to-understand diagnostics right at your fingertips. So, even if you're not a car enthusiast, owning an OBD scanner can be a real game-changer for your vehicle maintenance. Remember, stay ahead of potential vehicular issues with knowledge and the right tools. For more helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe to Honest Mechanic Colorado. Drive safe, everyone.